So this is a quick update on our condo bathroom project when we are trying to figure out the shower floor and sloping and drains and trays and all that. And luckily now, after years in Europe, finally the Schluter Kerdi Drain-H arrived in here as well. And the difference between a regular drain and this one is that you have a side discharge, doesn't go straight down like you would go through a regular subfloor. So that gives, this is a solution we are going to use. And looking at the level lines here where we are, where we will be, we unfortunately have to build it up, but we don't have to build it up as high as with a regular drain or dig into the slab the way they dig here, because we'll just reuse the hole for the new P-trap and connect the drain there. And just because the drain pipe is where it is, we cannot go any lower, but this will give us enough drop for our shower drain at the center of the shower. So as always, we are going Schluter system, and we've got all the other stuff, old tile cleaned off the floor. We did some layout things here. We have to move this toilet flange to gain a few inches in the shower to make it nice and comfortable size. So stay tuned as we show you the step-by-step how this is done. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.